Okay, so here you guys is my stock intake grate. I'm really not going to pay to get the real racing one or works one. Honestly, what I'm gonna do is this DIY. I'm gonna cut this vein off, and then I'm gonna grind it down and make this entrance very smooth, and vice versa on this side. We're gonna grind it down, make sure this is nice and smooth, and realistically your hand is gonna be able to fit there. And I'm gonna polish it. I need to take this to my garage, but that is going to be the plan. There's no need to realistically pay $300. This is a DIY project, and I feel like these are designed the same. Honestly, the aftermarket ones look the same exactly as the stock one. It's just they cut this vein off, and then this right here, they cut these off. I'm only gonna cut this one. This, I still want some sort of protection so my jet pump don't suck up anything in the when I'm riding, whether it's in the river or the lake or the ocean. But I have seen reviews of people saying that they did this mod here. They took this off, and any ropes that got stuck is extremely easy. As you flip your ski and your hand fits in here. Usually when your hand can't fit in here, you have a problem, and it's a long way to get home. So yeah. Okay, so I finally got this piece cut here with my super duper M12 Milwaukee saw, even though I do have an M18, but that's just, I like to carry that one around. It's smaller. If you want to make this process smoother, always lubricate the saw blade with some WD-40, and you should get it pretty decent. So yeah, so this is how it looks cut. Obviously it's not perfect, and you'll see this one is not perfect either, but no need to fear. You see this? I'm going to grind that down. Not grind. I'm gonna see if I can sand it with the belt sander first before I grind it, because grinding, you don't want to start eating into this. But I'm gonna start with like some 60 or 80 grit, and I'm gonna take some of this off too, and then I will be polishing it. After sanding everything, this is how it looks. I can actually get this like completely flat, but I figure that little hunch right there does nothing. But as far as this is smooth. I'm gonna clean this up a bit and see if I can kind of fill this up with some type of silicone, so then it doesn't have just that space there. They don't sell the insert kit, or at least I did not find it on Riva or works.com or any overseas website. But yeah, upgraded intake grate, and I did not have to invest $200. Great DIY.